Hey fam, welcome back to another one brand tutorial. So today I created this look using products by K-Beauty. If you're not aware, K-Beauty is owned by Katrina Kaif and the products are exclusively available on Nykaa.com and Nykaa stores. Now K-Beauty is not a pretty old brand, it's quite new to Indian drugstore and they have launched quite a few products from face and eye to lip category, and they have their own nail polish range also where you get 36 shades. Now yes, when I look back to the brand, I realize that K-Beauty hasn't come out with any kind of powdered products. All the products you get in K-Beauty are into a cream format. So even if it is a corrector or what do you say, corrector, eyeshadow, everything is into a cream form. So you don't get an eyeshadow palette, you don't get a pressed powder, you don't get anything into a powdered form. So I was quite interested when K-Beauty was launched and I tried almost every product by K-Beauty, and I have reviewed all the products on my channel so far by K-Beauty. If you haven't checked them, you can check them separately later after watching this one brand tutorial. So I thought let me just sit down and create a look using products by K-Beauty itself. So here I am. I hope you love watching this small mini K-Beauty one brand tutorial. Before you jump onto the application part and figure out and know more about the brand, consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @PranziGeek. So let's get started. First up, we are going to color correct. I will be using peach and lavender corrector. These are very basic correctors for a face which doesn't have too much going on. It's beginners friendly and the product is very smooth and glides on easily. The only factor about these two correctors is that they dry down very fast. So you have to be really quick placing the product and blend out fast, or else if you leave the product for 5 to 10 seconds or more than 30 seconds, I would say, the product starts drying out and it is not that easy to blend out. The next important thing about these two products to blend is your fingers. Don't use a blender or a brush because, as I said, this product starts drying out, and if you happen to rub your brush or blender, it doesn't do a good job. Your skin starts flaking up. So if you have these correctors, try working out with your fingers and you will definitely achieve a good result. All in all, I am very happy with these correctors. They really solve my purpose because my face doesn't have too much going around. Moving on, I place my first layer of foundation. The foundation I use is not a straight up full coverage. It's a medium to buildable coverage foundation. Since I had to do my contour, I did my first layer of foundation. So I'm using Caramel Focus and this is my apt shade. Again, this product is very smooth. You need a very little product. The best part about this product is that it's very beginners friendly because it's very well made. So even if you are a starter with contour, a person who doesn't feel very comfortable with contour itself, this is the product to go for because this will not mess your contour and it will really give you a nice snatched and a pretty nice contour on your face. So if you are looking for a contour product and you haven't got the best, I think you should try this one because I personally never like contour. But since I started using this product by itself gave me confidence to do contour because it's very easy to use. So you should definitely invest in their contour stick even if you don't want to buy their correctors. When you are blending your contour, take your time. There is no hurry because in a hurry motion, you will mess up your contour because we have already done our first layer of foundation. If you are still a very starter in contour, then do your contour first and then go in with your foundation. So I went ahead with the second layer of foundation after my contour. Since I don't have the brow pencil by K, what I did, I used a matte eyeshadow first in brown shade and then filled in my brows with a black kajal. This is like if you don't have a product by the same brand, or if you just want to multi-purpose it, this is the best way you can mix the two. But you have to go really slowly when you're doing these techniques, because since it's not a brow product, both the products are supremely pigmented. They will just compile wherever you put the product. So you have to go really slow, and then you have to clean the area so that it looks snatched and well done. Moving on to eyes. Now, K-Beauty doesn't have any powder product, or for that matter an eyeshadow palette. They have everything in stick form. So they have eyeshadow sticks. So I'm using this all over my lid. The best part about these eyeshadow sticks, they are very good. They are matte. They are not going anywhere till the time you don't remove it. They don't fade away. They don't move here and there. Once you place it on your eyes, quickly blend out the harsh edges and it settles down. So you can actually use this eyeshadow stick as a lower lash line, as an kajal. So you can actually multi-purpose it, and these eyeshadow sticks are really to go for. If you haven't tried one, try one. So once I did with my shimmer, then I just went ahead with that brown matte eyeshadow stick and then started slowly blending the harsh edges and made it smooth. So basically you really don't need any brush or any blender to blend these products. You just need your finger. So it's a very easy peasy makeup product. All the products by K-Beauty for so far are very easy to use. You really don't need any tools to work around with these products. So as I said earlier, it's a beginners friendly. If you're starting your makeup, try with something like this. And if you're already a pro, then you can definitely work out with this also. Moving on to eyeliner. Now K-Beauty did launch a lot of eyeliners, but I'm not a big fan of their liners just because of one reason, that the applicator is not felt tip, so I'm not very comfortable. I generally poke my eyes all the time whenever I use these liners, but removing the applicator part, the eyeliner itself is really good. The product is good. So if you are a person who is not finicky about the applicator part, just go ahead and buy the liners, because the pigmentation, the color payoff is really good and the eyeliner stays on. Next up, Kajal. Now I have two Kajals by K-Beauty. I absolutely love the retractable one. But later I went ahead and bought this sharpenable one. But frankly speaking, I still like the retractable one more than this one. So if you are thinking which one to go for the retractable one. That is inexpensive also. Because this one I still feel that black kajal is still missing, that deepness to that black is lacking in this one. But the retractable one, you really don't have to do anything and you will achieve the deepest black kajal. Moving on to mascara. K-Beauty has their own mascara. It's a volumizing and a lengthening mascara. Not the best by K-Beauty, but not the worst. If you are a person who likes mascara and thinking that this mascara is going to give you everything, don't buy in that notion, because it is an expensive mascara. But for me, it works as a good mascara because I am a person who likes to wear mascaras and I just go layer on layer. You will definitely achieve a good mascara or a good lashes. You really don't have to go for a falsie. To finish off the look, I went ahead with K-Beauty lip liner. They are my ultimate favorite product by K-Beauty. If you ask me that number one product by K-Beauty, it has to be their lip liners. You should definitely try their lip liners. They are to die for. To fill in my lips, I'm using the shade Playback. I don't have any other lip color by K-Beauty, so I like to mix this one with a deeper lip liner because this shade will wash many Indian skin tone. I have recently realized that if I apply this lipstick by itself, like in summers, it does washes me out. So I like to mix it with the deeper lip liner and achieve my right perfect lip shade. So yeah, These are the products which I try by K-Beauty. I absolutely love the K-Beauty as a brand. It has amazing products. I will be leaving down everything in my description. I hope you loved watching this one brand tutorial by K-Beauty. We'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care and see you soon.